About that review for Garcia Meza. Can we get Jessica Lockett? Oh, that's a discharge.
Yeah, Jessica Lockett.
Yeah, I thought we were gonna get the
Probation officer.
probation, so, but
Okay,
it says
okay.
discharge, it must be.
I can check my emails to see what I got.
All right.
Might be a discharge and there might not be. But I can call.
Good morning, Mr. Johnson.
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning off the hooks. Who's your client, Mr. Johnson?
Leon Griffin.
I do not believe that individual has showed up yet.
Okay, I'll give him a call.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. All right, I'm going to start letting people in. Humberto. Humberto. Bren. Humberto Moran. You have to unmute yourself. Buenos dias. All right, let's get going. Yeah.
Okay. No.
I'm on court. I'll be back up here in a minute.
Good morning. The Honorable Judge Sean P. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose. If you have a head covering on now and it does not represent religious purpose, please remove it. No eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions and mute your devices. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
All right, good morning, everyone. I'm gonna do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in. Are we ready, Ms. Williams Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you have to mute yourselves. Everybody's got to mute themselves unless I call your name, please. All right, this is going to be the City of Detroit versus Amber Gordon. Case number SP1908321, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gordon.
Amber Marie Gordon.
Good morning to you,
Morning.
Ms. Gordon. It's the date and time is set for a show cause for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
You are not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Gordon, it's also an improper equipment on that ticket, Mr. Berry.
Let's go.
So Ms. Gordon, Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an upper. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. This is the City of Detroit versus Joseph Deshaun Lindsay. Case number V132922125. He asked for an appointed attorney. Did you ever get an appointed attorney contact you, sir?
Not today, sir.
Ever?
Yes, I did. Last time I did, but they didn't contact me. The last time I came.
No, you're supposed to get an appointed attorney before then. I mean, a different attorney, somebody that's specific to you.
No, I didn't.
What was the attorney's name?
I forgot, sir. I go with the lady. I forgot.
Can you find out? We'll pass that. City of Detroit versus Glenn Stribling Lot, case number SP1797677, counts 1 and counts 2. SP1902835. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Ogletree.
Aaron Overtrain by for Mr. Lott, P number 69167. Mr. Lott, can you state your name?
Glenn Lott.
Your Honor, respectfully requesting a bench trial date.
Trial date. Good morning to you, Mr. Lott. It's going to be July the 7th, 2026 at 9 a.m., okay?
All
Your
right,
Honor,
thank you very
supposed
much.
to do the following week.
The following week,
Yes.
let's put July 14th.
All right, thank you.
July 14th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Best of luck to you.
Have a good
Thank you very much.
All right. Let's call the City of Detroit. What happened to Jamar Legs? City of Detroit versus Jamar Legs. Case numbers. Well, Mr. Legs, I don't know why he's here. All of his stuff are civil infractions. Case number SP115658802. Appearance for the record, please.
Jamar Legs.
Till
Ms.
Manager
Wilkerson.
Wilkerson, P81003, on behalf of Mr. Legs. Mr. Legs, please state your name for the record.
Jamar Legs.
Good morning to you, sir. The day is date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Purpose of arraignment, counselor.
We would like to stay on mute, waive formal reading, allow the court to enter a plea of not guilty.
Enter not guilty plea on the client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Legs, you're here because you didn't pay.
How much I owe you?
You don't owe me anything. You owe the court. Let me see.
We know you were away.
Take one of my business.
Your background, sir.
Who's got their background on?
You haven't seen him in years.
Please turn your background noise off. Anybody that's got background noise, please be ready. Please be properly dressed. It says 338 now.
Can we set up a payment plan?
Yeah, I'll waive the late fees and warrant fees. And that'll get it, I don't know what that'll get it down to. And then I'll say, allow payment plan. When are you gonna get into that payment plan?
I can pay 100 this week.
No, I'm not, that's not my area. I just want to know when you're gonna get into the payment plan.
I can set it up today. Do I have to come down?
You do.
Yep, I can be down there today.
All right, come back on Thursday. Zoom in on Thursday. We'll see if that payment plan has been entered into, all right?
Yes, sir.
Review on Thursday at 8:25. I mark the file, allow payment plan. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Thank you, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Lily Grace Lauren, case number SP 1-888-5541. Appearance for the record, please.
Lily Lauren?
Field Manager Wilkerson on behalf of Ms. Lauren, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Lauren. Today is the date and time. It's set for a pretrial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Wilkerson. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Ms. Robinson, are you ready on Lacey Chapman?
Yes.
Ms. Robinson? All right.
Your Honor, I remember
Yes.
with her name, Marlita Barrett.
Ms. Barrett, call Ms. Barrett, please. Here she is.
The phone is gonna zoom in on lock it, Judge.
Ms. Barrett?
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm sorry, it's a lot of noise. I have Joseph Lindsay. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay.
The background noise.
I won't be able to give you a payment extension. I'm not sure what that is, but Joseph Lindsay, Judge.
Would you like to make a payment?
Somebody else. Okay, there we go. Joseph Lindsay.
He's here.
Okay, all right, that's my client.
Do you need a breakout room with him?
Yes, you can give us a breakout room, but I gotta talk to the city attorney too. Which room?
6, please.
Okay, thank you.
Attorney, Atisha,
Yes, I'm here.
good morning to you.
Good morning.
Who's your client?
Caden Jake. He should be signing in momentarily.
Jake I.
Yes.
All right, I've given you permission to move from, we'll see who this individual is. On the Samsung, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please? Ma'am?
Rose Laureano?
Rose Laureana? Did you say Rose Laureana?
Yes.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
You do not need an interpreter, do you?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah, intérprete.
All right. Rose Loriana Rodriguez needs an interpreter, Ms. Smith. She's on trial.
Hello.
Good morning to you. Who said hello?
Lacey Chapman. You had called my name, but then you had started with something else. Did you want me to unmute?
Your attorney is here. That's why I was calling, Jim, trying to get your attorney's attention.
Oh, okay.
I'm present, Judge.
All right, are you ready? What does your client want to do?
Can I have a breakout with her, please?
You may.
Thank you.
Are we ready on Lindsay?
Yes, Judge. We're gonna we're gonna ask
Let
for
me call the case, please. Let's call the city of Detroit. Wow, Lindsay's fine. I had it. Joseph Lindsay.
Wow.
Didn't I have that file? Yeah, I have it. All right. City of Detroit versus Joseph Deshaun Lindsay, case number V132922125, SP 1680570, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1851392, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1905398, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1905391, 21729659, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Joseph Lindsay. Judge, we're asking for a bench trial date on these matters.
Okay, the bench trial date. Good morning to you, Mr. Lindsay. State your name for the record.
Joseph Deshaun Lindsay.
All right, bench trial date will be July the 7th at 9 a.m. July the 7th at 9 a.m.
Hold on, Judge. 1 second. I got to make sure that's a good day for me. July. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm looking at August. Give me a second. I'm just trying to look this up. Oh, I got a trial in Frank Murphy. Well, do you have another day?
July the 14th.
I'm sorry. Those are bad dates. Do you have another day? Can you do it the 9th, July 9th?
July 9th.
Okay, thank you. All right.
Best of luck to you both. Have a good day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record. Let's go back on the record with Amber Gordon. Now, Ms. Gordon, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Per the prosecutor, Your Honor, the matters are to be dismissed.
All right, Ms. Gordon, if there's nothing further, your cases are dismissed. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. You as well.
City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Laura Ashley Gaines, case number SP 1854107, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gaines.
Laura Gaines.
Good morning
For
to you,
purposes
ma'am.
of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Gaines, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the Let's go back on the record. Ms. Lauren, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, Ms. Lauren would like to have her matter set for a bench trial.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Lauren?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is this a case where we need to appoint an attorney?
I don't quite think so, unless Ms. Lauren would specifically be requesting one. But from my my own opinion, I don't think so.
Want us to appoint you an attorney, Ms. Lauren?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, somebody that's an interpreter. All right, so somebody's letting people in. All right, I got a lot of people that I don't know who's in here now. Let me bring this gentleman out. All right, I'll point you an attorney. I need to get her contact information, go back in the breakout room and get her contact information, Ms. Wilkerson.
Will do, Your Honor.
Mr. Richards?
Yes, Judge.
Are you letting people in the room?
No.
I'm sorry, Judge, that was me letting people in. Attorney Atisha.
Don't let anybody in. Because
Okay.
now I'm thrown off as far as the order.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Interpreter Pablo Bello.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm the interpreter for Rosa Marie Laureano.
Yeah, there's another individual who is here, Humberto Morena. He needs I believe he needs an interpreter as well. And can you check them? He needs to unmute himself first so we can talk to him.
Señor Gilberto, el juez está preguntando que si puede usted encender su micrófono.
Rose? Con Rose?
Oh, this is Rosa. Who's this? ¿Quién es?
Sí, Rose Laureano.
Oh, here is the Rosa Laureano, the one who needs the
No,
interpreter.
Humberto, I'm asking him to unmute himself. I'm sending him the prompt to unmute himself and he's not unmuting himself. He's up at the top.
I told him already, Your Honor. Gilberto Moreno, el juez está pidiendo que encienda su micrófono. No answering.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Lauren. Miss Lauren, I've given you the opportunity to speak to counsel again, and you can put the number in the chat, Miss Wilkerson.
Sí. You're talking about
no, that's not you. That's not you. That's not you. I'm gonna set a pretrial date, ma'am, of June the 26th, 2026 at 8:30. That date is set so that appointed attorney has an opportunity to contact you. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by that time and date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, as soon as I get the telephone number, you'll be free to leave.
Yes.
All right. Just answer the calls you do not recognize. Hopefully one of those calls will be that appointed attorney, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, I do wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you.
All right, City of Detroit versus Keith Bernard Lee. Case number SP 105-89661, SP 128-3265, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 146-0059, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 154-2979, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 9740391, V, strike that, U46258618, 18365672, counts 1 and counts 2. 1927000961, appearance for the record, please.
Keith Lee.
Field Manager Wilkerson on behalf of Mr. Lee, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Lee. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench form for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Stand mute, waive formal reading, allow the court to enter a plea of not guilty.
We'll enter that not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Lee, we already have an interpreter now. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Wilkerson. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? Mr. Lee?
Yes, sir.
All right. You take your scarf off your head, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. When you see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. All right, the city attorney is here. Let's go back on the record with Miss Laura Gaines. Miss Laura Gaines, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid documents and we seek dismissal.
Right, I'll dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. Ms. Gaines. There's nothing further. I do wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You as well, Judge. Have a great day.
Thank you. All right, for Ms. Laureano Rodriguez, we're going to give the officer a half-hour grace period from 9 to 9:30. We have two interpreters here now. Mr. Castillo, good morning to you.
Good morning. Yeah, I think the other interpreter took off because he had another hearing somewhere else.
Oh, he's gone?
Yes.
All right, well, so we're just gonna give the officers a half-hour grace period. There was another Gilberto Moreno. He's not unmuting himself.
Gilbert, do you have a case number for that?
I don't. I'm trying to find out what his purpose is. Anyway, so, but I can't speak to him because he's not unmuting himself.
Okay, Gilberto Moreno, ¿me escuchas? Activa el micrófono.
I'm sending him the prompt to unmute himself.
Activa tu micrófono, Gilberto Moreno.
All right, Gregory Lane, your matter is set for trial. We'll give the officers a half-hour grace period from 9 to 9:30. If they don't appear, we'll get you out of here. If they do appear, we'll get you in the breakout room with an attorney. Mr. Berry, this is going to be the city of Detroit versus Laura Gruelle. Case numbers SP 1587527, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Grau. For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Guerrero, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? When you see the prompt, join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Ms. Robinson, are you ready on your client?
Ready, Judge.
All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus Alicia Lacey Chapman. Case number is SP 1056591, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1163137, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1239177, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1429031, counts 1, and SP 148984001. SP 1548202, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1893695, counts 1 and counts 2. State of Michigan versus Ashley Nicole Lacey Chapman, SX 4691911 and 144432271. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes.
Good morning. If it may please the court, Sarah Robinson, P63181 for Miss Lacey Chapman.
Good morning, Miss Lacey Chapman. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Alicia Lacey Chapman.
All right, date and time is set for a pre-trial. Ms. Robinson, what does your client want to do?
We'd like to proceed to a bench trial, Judge.
All right. Trial date is going to be July the 7th, 2026 at 9 a.m., okay?
Yes, Judge. Thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, Ms. Chapman, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
You too. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, let's go back on the record with Keith Lee. Mr. Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Lee would like to avail himself to the plea offer, which is a plea to two amended counts of fail to display and 2 amended counts of improper plates, and all remaining counts to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can put your hand down.
You know I'm in court, right?
Pardon me? Don't interrupt, Mr. Lodge. All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Wilkerson went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Sir.
Pardon me?
No, sir.
You said 2 counts of failure to display and what? And 2 counts of an improper
2 counts
plate?
of improper plate. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let me draw your attention back to January 19th, 2024 at around 7:10 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Temple and 2nd Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Operating this 2013 Dodge?
Yes, sir.
Is that your vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license and insurance?
Yes, sir.
You couldn't do either, could you?
No, sir.
Why is that?
I never got it.
All right, very well. Find your client guilty as to the amended count of failure to display for not having a valid driver's license and improper plate for not having the valid insurance.
There's almost step away for just 1 second, okay?
Uh,
Need anything to follow up
let
on?
me see. Let me draw your attention. Back to May the 10th, 2023 at around 4:28 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Davison and St. Louis. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Sir.
I can't hear you.
Yes, sir.
Operating a motor vehicle.
Yes, sir.
Officer asked you to produce valid driver's license and insurance on that vehicle.
Yes, sir.
Couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No, sir.
Why is that?
I don't have it.
Very well. Find your client guilty as to the amended count of failure to display for not having a valid driver's license and for improper plate for not having the valid insurance, with stipulation of probable cause will dismiss the other misdemeanor matters. Ms. Wilkerson?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. As for the fine, I'm gonna waive the warrant fees. You'll pay any reinstatement fees, and I'll fine you for 2 of them. I'll cut you a break. I'll only fine you for 2, 240 and 240. I won't fine you for the other 2, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
All right. When can you pay?
I can start making payments.
I'll say this. I'm gonna mark the file, pay by July 9th. July 9th. I'm also gonna mark the file, allow payment plan. So
Yes,
do
sir.
1 of 2. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. Or come on down to the courthouse on or before July 9th, and you get into a payment plan. All right?
Yes, yes, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Lee, I do wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Okay, you too. Thank you.
Thank you.
Excuse me, Judge, on the goalie matter, can we make another attempt for me to speak with the city attorney?
She should be in 4.
Okay.
Or somewhere, she's maybe to the officers in 1, but she should be in 4.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Terrell Green, case numbers SP 108-67891 SP 11482981, SP 11783901, SP 1567936, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1568638, counts 1. Strike that, strike that. State of Michigan versus Terrell Keith Kenneth Green, case number SX 377329963. Appearance for the record, please.
How you doing, Terrell Green?
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Is that Ms. Wilkerson?
Hill Manager Wilkerson on behalf of Mr. Green, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Green, the day is the date and time is set. Hey, Mr. Gady, you got to be quiet. It's set for a arraignment on the bench warrant for purposes of arraignment, please.
Stay on mute, wait for a reading, allow the court to enter a plea of not guilty.
Enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Green, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Wilkerson. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, you let us know what you wanna do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gorell. Ms. Gorell, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client wanna do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
Is that what you want, Ms. Gorell?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, July the 7th, 2026 at 9 a.m. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You too. I appreciate you.
All right, Mr. Gady. Good morning to you.
Yes. Yes.
Did the attorney ever contact you?
No.
Ms. Mathis, oh, she's, all right, I'm gonna see if we can get that attorney in here. Mr. Barry, this is the city of Detroit versus Kareem Lightfoot Mosley, case number SP 1737320, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Mosley.
Lightfoot Mosley.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Give me the correct pronunciation of your first name, please.
Canary.
Canary, I'm sorry. Good morning to you, ma'am. Day is date and time is set for arraignment on the bench where I enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, giving you a $0 bond. Mr. Barry, Miss Lightfoot Mosley, she's entered into 3 payment plans with related matters. If you can run that by the city and see if that has any effect on her offer. Miss Lightfoot Mosley, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Miss Laura Burrell, do you need anything else? You have your trial date, right? All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, he would like to avail himself to the plea offer, which is a plea to an amended charge of fail to display and 1 amended charge of improper plates. All remaining charges to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Green?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. Swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
I do.
Put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Miss Wilkerson went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to March the 27th, 2024 at around 8:29 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Harper and Shane. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
No, I don't recall.
You don't recall driving a 2006 Chrysler near Harper and Shane, a 994 ramp?
Oh, yes, yes, sir. I remember. Yes.
You recall that, sir?
Yes, sir.
What is this, a failure to display and what?
And improper plates.
Was this your 2006 Chrysler you were operating, sir?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce valid driver's license and insurance?
Yes.
You couldn't do either, could you?
No.
And why is that?
The plate I had on the vehicle, I had insurance on it, but it didn't go to that vehicle.
All right. Find your client guilty as to the amended count of improper plate for not having the valid insurance and amended count of failure to display for not having the driver's license. Stipulate the probable cause. We'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
I'll waive the warrant fee and you'll pay any reinstatement fee. And I'll fine you $240 for the failure to display, and I won't fine you for the other one. When can you pay?
About July, first week of July.
I'll play July 9th, 2026. Pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDad app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, sir, I do wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Yeah, you too.
Thank you. All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Roselle Lorenzo Gunn. Case number SP 106-1872, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 175-45761. SP 1822414, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 183599191. And U576572120. Appearance for the record, please. Ms. Wilkerson.
Till Manager Wilkerson, on behalf of Mr. Gunn. Mr. Gunn, please state your full name for the record. One more time, Mr. Gunn.
Rozelle Gunn.
Okay.
Morning to you again, sir. Today is date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant, purposes of arraignment.
Stand mute, waive formal reading, allow the court to enter a plea of not guilty.
I'll enter a not guilty plea in the client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Wilkerson, I'll allow Mr. Gunn to be heard on this expired plate as well. So you can make that a part of the offer. I'm on Mr. Gunn. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Wilkerson. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter.
Yes, sir.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lightfoot Mosley. Ms. Lightfoot Mosley, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we'd ask the court to confirm that my client has a valid license.
She's here for Glenn. Okay. All right, we can't do that right now because Ms. Mathis is not here, so I'll pass the matter.
think he was trying to see did Glenn check in on yours on. He didn't.
Not Cinnamon Glen, no. All right, we'll pass the matter. We gotta wait until Ms. Mathis comes back in. Mr. Berry, this is gonna be the city of Detroit versus Michael Cortez Gambrell, sorry. Case number SP 172283, 6 counts 1 and counts 2. 124348381. 19527886, counts 1 and counts 2. Let me see this 15 matter. All right, give me 1 second. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gambrell.
Michael Cortez Gambrell.
All right, good morning
For
to you,
purposes
sir.
of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Hold on 1 second.
Here you go, Judge. Madam Prosecutor.
Goalie. Copy that to you.
You had a goalie file.
Let me in.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, Mr. Gambrell, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. I wanted to check that one case, Mr. Berry, that 15 case. I don't know if it's on the docket or not.
I have
Let's see.
4 on the docket.
You have 4.
Thank you. You're welcome.
And that was dismissed. That scratch that 15 case. What I'll do is I'll waive the warrant and the fees and zero that out. Mr. Gambrell, I'm putting you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. We'll pass the matter. On the iPhone, I just let in the room. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please?
Leon Griffin.
Leon Griffin. Good morning to you, Mr. Griffin.
Good morning.
All right. All right, let's call the city of Detroit, thank you, versus Jessica Lockett, case number Z8098411. Ms. Lockett, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Jessica Lockett, good morning.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Day is date and time set for a review. Ms. McCall, good morning to you.
Good morning to you and your staff. Marvin McCall on behalf of the probation department, Judge.
Hey, good morning to you. Day is date and time set for a review. You got the Larry Globe. You have to mute yourself, please.
Your Honor, Ms. Lockett was placed on probation on March 9th, 2026 for 6 months. She was ordered to pay $665 and assess fines and costs, attend and complete the MAD program, as well as the Alcohol Highway Safety Class Level 1 random urinalysis twice per month, shall not possess or consume any alcohol or illicit substances, and no driving without a valid driver's license, and view the consequence video. So, and Ms. Lockett has been on probation for 3 months. Today is her first review. She has provided verification of completing the victim's impact panel, as well as the alcohol highway safety class. She last tested on June 4th, and her screens was negative for alcohol. And she has provided verification of her medical marijuana card, and she has viewed the consequence video. So that's where we are with Miss Lockett. And she had $340, Judge, I'm sorry. The probation department is recommending that $340 be deleted in urine screens due to Miss Lockett test at an outside agency.
Very well. Ms. Lockett, do you have anything to say?
Far as I wanted to get it dismissed, cause
That's not. Go ahead.
it's kind of affecting me with my job opportunity that I got trying to get right now. Cause my other job had relocated to Canton, so I couldn't go that far. So I had to get me another job, which I've been working since May 4th. So I wanted to try to go for early release or dismissal since I completed everything.
All right, well, the dismissal is something that you're going to have to seek from the state of Michigan on an expungement. If you only have one drunk driving case, then you are eligible for expungement now in the state of Michigan. But that's something you're going to have to wait a time period for. Based on Ms. McCall, what is your recommendation?
Well, she's only been on probation for 3 months, and this was a 6-month term, so therefore we can continue screening, but I recommend that we can, instead of twice a month, we can recommend that she tests once per month, because all her screens has been negative for alcohol, Judge. So, because she is canceling screens. Go ahead, Judge.
I'm sorry. What I'm going to do is I'm going to close the matter out. You've been doing well. You've got everything completed in the time frame. So that's the best I can close the matter out, and I can wish you the best of luck, ma'am. And like I say again, the state of Michigan now allows you that this is the first time they've ever done this, allow you to get one drunk driving matter expunged as long as you only have one. If you get another one, then that expungement goes away. You can't get any of them off your record. But if we have one, then you'll be able to get it expunged. But you're going to have to wait the statutory time period, and so that's the best we can do. I do wish you the best of luck, ma'am. I am closing this out, and I will waive that $340 in screening fees. All right.
All right. So do I continue to keep testing or?
No, you're done.
So I don't have to come back to court no more or nothing like that.
No, you don't.
All right. I appreciate that.
All right, Ms. Lockett, best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Judge. Have a great day.
Right,
thank you, Ms. Lockett.
All right. Thank y'all. Y'all take it easy.
You as well.
Thank you.
Miss Counselor Atisha, who is your client?
My client is Caden Jaki. He is present. Today was the date for trial. I don't believe the officer is present.
This is the state of Michigan versus Caden Jaki. Case number SX46790541. Appearance for the record, please.
Ashley Atisha, P82009 on behalf of Caden Jaki. Caden, can you please state your name?
Caden Jaki.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Good morning to you, Counselor. Day, date, and time is set for a trial. Is there a officer or trooper, YACUONE or LJURAJ? I'm hearing no response. I don't have any of those troopers or officers checked in on my list. Go ahead, Counselor.
I'd like to move for a dismissal.
All right, I'm going to grant the motion for dismissal for no officer. If there's nothing further, Mr. Jaki, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. All right, did we run Lightfoot's license, Ms. Mathis?
No, I didn't, but I will.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gambrell. Mr. Gambrell, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea of failure to display for one of the driver license suspended charges and improper plates as to the one of the no insurance matters, the remaining two matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Swear.
Swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Swear.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense? Can you find out his attorney? Is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to May the 6th, 2025 at around 2:58 p.m. the city of Detroit in the area of Homer and Ewald Circle. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
You were operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
The officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license and insurance. Hello?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce valid driver's license and insurance?
Yes.
You couldn't do either, could you?
No.
Why is that?
I didn't have.
Very well. Find your client guilty as to the amended count of improper plate for the no insurance and guilty to the amended count of failure to display for no license, stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, I'm only gonna fine you for one, $240. When can you pay it?
I can pay it by July.
July the 9th, 2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit versus Gregory Lane Jr. Case number SP189-23471, SP189-24221. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lane.
Gregory Lane Jr.
Officer James, good morning to you, Mr. Lane. Officer James, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, badge, number, department for the record, please? All right, he's here. He's unmuting himself now. I'm sorry. All right.
Officer James, badge 12, Detroit Police Department.
All right, good morning to you. Day
sir.
and date and time set for a trial. Mr. Lane, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Hold on, let me see before you go, Mr. Berry. Go past the Mr. Lane.
And Your Honor, there will be a motion on the goalie file for notice on the ticket. The people defer to the court.
The Lightfoot, that's
All
right.
right, the Lightfoot matter is has a valid driver's license, Mr. Berry. Are we ready on Lightfoot?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lightfoot Mosley. Ms. Lightfoot, what is the court, what is the, a recommendation, Mr. Berry?
This, in light of her license, dismissal of the no insurance matter, Your Honor. That's the offer.
No objection.
So dismissal of both the misdemeanors, right?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. Yeah, Ms. Lightfoot, I'm going to dismiss the cases. You still owe those other civil infractions, okay?
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you. You too.
Go ahead, Mr. Berry. Join that room with Mr. Lane.
Yes,
All right, let's go. Yeah, are we ready on Mr. Gooley, Derek Gooley? This is called the City of Detroit versus Derek Lamar Gooley. Case number SP 1349914, count 1, U 7441372, 1845300871. Appearance for the record, please.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303, Your Honor.
Good morning. Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Ray Richards on behalf of Mr. Goley, who is appearing via Zoom with consent, P56972.
All right, good morning to both of you. Mr. Goley, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning. My name is Derek Goley.
All right, day, date, and time is set for a pretrial. Indicated off the record that there was going to be some sort of motion.
Yes, Your Honor. We're going to make a motion to dismiss based on the ticket having insufficient notice as to the who, what, when, where, and how for myself to wage a defense on behalf of my client. And also, it's our opinion that the state or city may have an issue as well based on the vagueness and the contradictory nature of the notice, if you want to call it that, Judge. So we make a motion to dismiss.
And Your Honor, yes, based on the face of the ticket, it basically states illegal occupation, bartender. The people are unable to proceed without sufficient facts to know what the charge is. So the people will defer to the court as to ruling.
Well, on that matter, I'll dismiss the case. What about the other two?
Motion to dismiss by the people.
All right, case is dismissed,
Obviously, no
sir.
objection, Your Honor.
Obviously. Right, I accept that. Case is dismissed. I'll waive the warrant fees. You'll pay any reinstatement fees.
A big round of applause for Ms. Perkins.
All right, not a background noise, sir. All right.
All our first students from this class, George.
You can't talk while you have that stuff in the background.
I'm sorry. I'm at my son's graduation.
Well, you got to mute your device. Let's see. The operating illegal dismiss on motion not to proceed. And then the other two cases, 3499141 and 1845300871. Dismiss. All right, waive the warrant fees. He'll pay the reinstatement fees. He owes the 126 for that was in default and $144 for the other matter in default. If there's nothing further, Mr. Goley, best of luck to you. Congratulations on your child's graduation, and I hope y'all have a very good rest of your day. Okay.
I appreciate it.
Thank
you.
All right, Mr. Richards. I'll see you soon.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Take care. Thank
you. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gunn. Mr. Gunn, I've given you an opportunity to speak. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Mr. Gunn would like to avail himself to the plea offer, Your Honor, which is a plea of responsible to the expired plates, a plea responsible to the amended charge of careless instead of leaving the scene of a accident, and an amended charge of improper plates instead of no insurance misdemeanor. All remaining charges to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes.
And you understand, you can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for the misdemeanors are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes.
Miss Wilkerson went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me, you're saying, so let me get this correct, Ms. Wilkerson. You're saying, the expired plate as charged.
Yes.
You're saying the improper plate and leaving and
Yes.
seeing property damage and a personal injury accident. What is that, amended to?
Careless driving.
So civil infraction, careless driving?
Yes.
All right, you want to take the deal, right? You mentioned that already.
Yes.
All right, let me draw your attention back to February the 6th, 2026, around 7:30 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of 7 Mile in Wyoming. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Was that your 2007 Cadillac?
Yes.
Did you have insurance on it on that day?
No.
Find your client guilty as to the amended count of improper plate. You want to voir dire him on the other portion of that? Where did you act careless in any kind of way when you were operating that motor vehicle?
Yes.
I'll find him responsible for the amended count of careless driving. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on the expired plate, counselor.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Probable cause on the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated.
All right, find you as charged to the improper, as charged to the expired plate. I'm gonna fine you $145 for the expired plate and $240 for the improper plate. I'll dismiss the improper plate upon payment. When can you pay?
I can pay by August.
No.
What they do, I gotta pay sooner.
You're not gonna pay by August. You're gonna pay before then.
Well, can I pay by the late July?
No, July 9th, 2026. I'll mark the file allow payment plan. So you have to come back. Come back on July the 9th. Do one of two things. Either pay it off, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Or come on down to the courthouse on or before July 9th, get into the payment plan. Come back July 9th at 8:25. Let us know what you did, okay?
Okay.
I wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
You will. This is the city of Detroit versus Joseph Patrick Lynham, case number Lynham, case number SP 17553681, SP 18470681, SP 18531851. Appearance for the record, please.
Till Manager Wilkerson, on behalf of Mr. Lynham. Mr. Lynham, please state your name for the record.
Joseph Lynham.
Brian, good morning to you, sir. Today is the day arraignment on the bench warrant for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
We'd like to stand mute, waive formal reading, allow the court to enter a plea of not guilty.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. You give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lynham, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Wilkerson. She's gonna attempt to get you the updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Call her back. She was in here this morning.
She's in here now. I got her.
Oh, is she?
I thought I was.
All right. When you see the prompt, join the room, sir. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay, gotcha.
Attorney Robinson, are you on Zoom?
Yeah, she's here.
She is, okay. Sorry about that.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Ms. Robinson,
Yes, Your Honor.
you have Gary James Gady. You will need a breakout room with him?
Judge, I didn't see an assignment for Gary James Gady. I apologize. Unless I have, let me check, Judge.
You said needs confirmation. Who's?
Yeah, check your chat message. I sent you a message.
Okay.
I'm gonna put you in breakout room 5.
Oh, yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'll go in. Thank you.
Let's go back on the record with Gregory Lane. Mr. Lane, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client will avail himself of the offer of the people to allow him to enter a plea as charged to texting while operating a vehicle.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right? Oh, that's just texting while operating? All right,
Yes,
stipulate to the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
Find your client responsible as to the amended count of as charged to the texting while operating, dismissing the other matter, $100. You still owe another $288 on a old matter that you never paid.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you about that too. How could I take care of old matter?
When can you pay it?
Like give me a month.
I'm gonna give
right
you till
now. Right now, I'm unemployed.
I'm gonna give you till July 9th, 2020. I'm gonna mark the file allow payment plan. You don't have to come back. You just need to get in that payment plan by July 9th. Pay by. I can't hear him.
Yeah, I can't hear you guys. You keep breaking up.
July, hold on, let me turn your camera off. Can you hear me better now?
Can you hear me?
I can. You pay it by July 9th. I'm marking the file allow payment plan. So do one of two things. Either pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person, or you join, or you get into a payment plan by on or before July 9th, okay?
Okay, so how much is it all together?
It's gonna be $388.
That's the whole total thing.
All right, yes. Best of luck to you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Let's call Mr. Castillo. Good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please? Mr. Castillo, are you there? Interpreter.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Can you state your name for the record, please? Good morning to you.
First name Jose, last name Castillo, Castillo.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do, Your Honor.
Very well. Mr. Griffin, I'm putting you out. No driving in court.
Señor Griffin, no puedo manejar en la corte.
That's on someone else.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm pulling over right now, Judge. I just had to get there to my son's graduation today.
No driving in court, and take your hat off. All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus Rosa Marie Loreno Rodriguez. Case numbers SP 188-5301, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
This call is being transcribed.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor. State your full name, Ms.
El abogado
Rodriguez.
del defendido. Diga su nombre completo, señora Rodríguez.
Sí, mi nombre es Rose Laureano Rodríguez.
My name is Rose Laureano Rodriguez.
All right, things were not interpreted properly there. I called the City of Detroit versus Rosa Loreno Rodriguez, case number SP 188-5301, counts 1 and counts 2.
Las
Appearance for the
cosas no se
record.
interpretaron muy bien, entonces estamos aquí, llamé el caso de la ciudad de Detroit en contra de Rosen Loreno Rodríguez. El número de caso es el SP 1885301, la cuenta 1 y la cuenta 2. Apariencias para el legajo.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Rodriguez.
El abogado Berry Jr. a nombre de la parte acusada. Diga su nombre completo, señora Rodríguez.
Sí, mi nombre es Rose Laureano Rodríguez.
My name is Rose Laureano Rodriguez.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. And Officer Morris, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, and department for the record, please?
Buenos días, oficial. Dígame aquí su nombre completo, también el estado, el número de placa y el departamento, por favor, el que participa.
I'm Officer Morris from the 2nd Precinct, badge number 3424.
Soy el oficial del segundo precinto, mi número de Morris, mi número de placa es 3424.
Good morning to you. Day is date and time set for a trial. Ms. Rodriguez, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Sí, señor Rodríguez, lo voy a poner en un cuarto separado para que hable con su abogado, a ver si llega a algún arreglo. Y si el acuerdo no le parece, hable con su abogado. ¿Está bien?
Ok, gracias.
Ok, thank you.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter.
Avísenos y platique con su abogado y una vez díganos qué quieren hacer cuando salgan del cuarto.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lynam. Mr. Lynam, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Mr. Lynam would like to avail himself to the plea offer, Your Honor.
What is that?
Which is a plea under a 3-month delay sentence to smoking marijuana in a vehicle, the remaining 2 charges to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Lynam?
Yes, sir.
All right, you want raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Wilkinson went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
She did.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
Nope.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Nobody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Nope.
Draw your attention back to January 10th, 2026, around 9 City of Detroit, in the area of Winthrop and Vassar. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you in a motor vehicle?
Yep.
Were you smoking weed in a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Find your client guilty as to the charge of the smoking marijuana in a motor vehicle. Is that a delayed sentence, Ms. Wilkerson?
Yes, 3-month delay sentence.
All right. Stipulate the probable cause. We'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, 240, come back on September the 8th, 2026. Do two things. Pay it, any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDad app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. We need to find her attorney. There are other ways to pay it as well, but those are the two best ways. And do not get in any other trouble like this. And we'll dismiss the case on September the 8th, 2026. If you don't have any further questions, sir, I do wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. You also.
You're welcome. This is City of Detroit versus Richie Gibbs. Case number SP 160-19312. Mr. Gibbs, state your name for the record, please.
Richard Gibbs, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, sir. Your case is going to be dismissed. I see you paid, and you waited the 3 months, did not get any other trouble. I wish you the best of luck. Mr. Gibbs, have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Deja Leah. Case number SP 190-6420, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 190-6506, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sorry, I was muted. Till Manager Wilkerson, on behalf of Ms. Leah. Ms. Leah, please unmute yourself and state your name for the record.
Start the camera, unmute yourself, ma'am. Sending you the prompts. Not on the docket.
I don't see her. I'm trying to double check.
Show cause 825. 845, show cause. Yep. All right. Unmute yourself, start your camera, state your name. Deja Leah. Leah. All right, let's pass it.
I'm here. I'm here.
All right, let's go back on the record. Miss Leah, state your name for the record, please.
Deja Lee.
All right, come into the camera, man. I can't see you.
Okay.
All right, day is date and time set for a show cause for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Stand mute, allow the court to enter a plea of not guilty.
That's what she probably fell asleep on the last time. As I remember her, there's enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. It's an expired plate, improper equipment, and driver passenger NOSB. Let's see what that is. I wouldn't have, no seatbelt. No seatbelt. Driver passenger, no seatbelt. I wouldn't have any issue with allowing her to be heard on those three as well. Miss Leah.
Yes.
Mr. Wilkerson is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter.
Your Honor, can you give me the other two charges with the no seatbelt?
Other three, okay. Expired plate, no improper equipment, and driver's passenger, no seatbelt. Just pass it.
Okay.
You got three, you got four charges, no insurance, expired plate, improper equipment, and driver or passenger, no seatbelt.
Okay, got them all. Thank you.
May I be co-host? Good morning.
I thought you were. Good morning. Leon Griffin was here, he was driving.
Oh, okay.
Gady, he never showed back up. Run Globe's license, please. I don't know why Larry Lige is here. Good morning to you, Mr. Lige. Globe is valid.
Yes.
Mr. Lige, you're gonna unmute yourself.
I got you. I mean, Your Honor, I was saying is I was supposed to call back 24 hours. You said when I do my first 24 hours to call you back. I did 56 hours now. And I'm just not able to call, catch you. I ain't go to sleep last night. I stayed up to make sure I got on here to let you know. I got 3
I
more
don't know why
days.
you didn't sleep last night. You stayed up just to get on here this morning. That don't make no sense.
I had a newborn. How old is the baby? How old is your baby? A month and 3 weeks.
I'm gonna be
And the baby's small, so I
praying,
was like,
praying for you, that baby, and everybody involved in that situation, Mr.
hey, I had to
Lige.
stay up, Your Honor. The baby too small. I don't want to make an accident and do anything wrong. You know?
Man, oh man. He ain't had no money. He
I
having
got
baby.
some money. I got some money, Your Honor.
I don't know why you ain't paid none of these tickets.
Listen, you told me to do the 80 hours. I said
I
I'm gonna
know,
give it to you.
but I'm saying this stuff is before I told you. You've been on this stuff for years.
I know, Your
Hand me
Honor.
the check on the eyes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you turn the stuff in? Congratulations on the newborn.
Wait, Jess, did you
He
call
said
this? I'm
congratulations
sorry.
on the newborn. She said thank you.
No, I didn't call it. I didn't
Okay,
call it.
I just got
didn't
confused.
check. Did you send the stuff to Miss who did you do with Miss Shelton? Did you send the stuff to Miss Shelton?
You speaking to me, Your Honor?
Yes.
No, that was Miss Moody. Linda
Moody?
Moody. Yup. Yes. And
You
I'm
went through Miss Shelton. Get there?
I ain't meeting no Miss Shelton, just Moody, Miss Moody. The
Find out.
elder, the one that owned the church, I believe. The way she
No,
acted.
no, you're supposed to go to whoever the city turns you on, whoever we turned you to go to.
Yeah, on Archdale. Y'all sent me on Archdale and 6 Miles.
All right,
Finkel.
give me a minute. Give me a minute.
All right, yes, Your Honor. Is that Finkel? What street is that?
Hold on,
Archdale and
mute yourself.
Puritan. Archdale and Puritan, Your Honor. It's a church. St. Paul. Huh? Come on, I'm on the camera.
City of Detroit, strike that. This is gonna be the state of Michigan versus Ayanna Lipscomb. Case number SX 4676748. Counts 1 and counts 2. Ms. Lipscomb, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Anaya Lipscomb.
Say that again.
Anaya Lipscomb.
I can't hear you.
Anaya Lipscomb.
Anaya Lipscomb, good morning to you. Day and time is set for a trial.
Can you ask them to mute their phone? I can't hear you.
The day is the date and time set for a trial. Good morning to you. I'm going to dismiss this case for no officer.
Thank you.
If there's nothing further, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you so much. You're gonna call Miss Mooney, Judge. And I did find the Leah Dazer right there.
What happened to our interpreter? Oh, he's in there.
Oh, the gag. I'm supposed to be the gag. Oh, Glover.
Glover to find out who the attorney is.
These attorneys almost submitting their appointments.
I tried to let him in. I've been trying to let him in, but he's not coming in.
Judge, because he's on the phone. He's on Zoom. He said he had okay. Okay, okay, so you on Zoom now. Okay.
Same as Libras. Said the same as Libras.
That's me, a Libra. Yeah.
October 21st.
October 2nd.
You on the 22nd?
Oh, the 2nd.
Oh, the 2nd. Early in the month.
16.
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
We all believe in balance.
Oh, you remember, you missed it yesterday. Now they chased somebody, they ran out the building. They didn't even catch him.
Who ran out?
I don't know.
Some dude in 538.
Drew saw him, so we heard him yelling. And Miss Drew saw him run across there.
They must have seen the jail.
I guess so.
And whenever the court's available, the people just need co-hosts. I'll go in and speak with the officers, and I think Mr. Berry is waiting for me.
Mr. Gay, do you hear the judge talk? I'll let you in the meeting. What? Dial this telephone number. I think he's back on the
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Leah. Ms. Leah, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, Ms. Lee would like to avail herself to the plea offer. Well, I'll start by saying she's in compliance with insurance expiring 11/8/26 and also registration expiring 5/8/27. She fixed the improper equipment, so I motion for dismissal on those for compliance. And that leaves the remaining charge of the passenger with no seatbelt, in which Miss Lee would be pleading responsible.
Want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea on client's behalf.
So
Yes.
stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. Find your client responsible as charged to the seatbelt, $65. Dismiss the other matters. When can you pay?
I can pay it by Friday.
All right, get
This
it by
upcoming
Friday.
Friday.
Pay it in any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload DivDat after your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, ma'am. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. Go back to sleep now.
Thank you so much.
All right. All right. Ms. Villaroo, we do have an interpreter. Good morning to you. I don't know.
Good morning.
Mr. Castillo has been here. So I don't know whose case it is actually. So if that, I'll let you two deal with that if you need to.
Well, let me just pop out then and check with interpreter services. They had just contacted me, so I'll double check with them, Your Honor.
Thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow if not.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. City of Detroit versus Larry Globe. Case number SP 184-9045, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 184-91971. Appearance for the record, please.
Hill Manager Wilkerson on behalf of Mr. Globe. Mr. Globe, please state your name for the record.
Larry Globe.
No. This is wrong. This is wrong. All right. He needs a driver's license check you gave me for Glover. I need to know.
Oh, I did for Shawana.
Yeah, I need to know her attorney. All right, Mr. Globe, good morning to you. Today is date and time, and it is set for a pre-trial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Wilkerson. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes, sir.
I join the room, we'll pass the matter. All right, on the iPhone, I just let you in the room. What is your name, please?
Leon Griffin.
Mr. Johnson? Now your attorney is gone. All right, give me 1 second. Let me get a minute recess.
Sarah Robinson, did you see my chat?
Oh,
Yes. Yes.
hello.
Okay.
Hello. What's going on?
Sarah Robinson.
Sarah Robinson as well. For who? All right, Miss Robinson, you got Sarah Glover as well. Shonda Glover, I'm sorry, Shonda Glover. Good morning to you. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Miss Robinson. Join breakout room 7, please.
And this is for Glow, Judge. Excuse me on that.
Okay, who's that on the telephone at 313-808-9278?
Gary Gaddy.
All right, good morning to you again. Ms. Robinson, can you join breakout room 7, please? Now she's not responding. Mr. Berry. How can I help you, Mr. Berry?
Are you talking to me?
No, I'm gonna wait till your attorney comes back. I'm gonna
Your
mute you.
Honor, we're ready as to Ms. Loreno Rodriguez.
I'm gonna mute you, Mr. Gaddy. Press *6 when you're asked to unmute, okay?
Star what? Star 6?
6.
Okay.
All right, what did you say, Mr. Berry?
Ready as to Ms. Loreno Rodriguez.
They're not coming out. They haven't come out. What do they want to, what does she want to do?
Okay.
The matters are to be dismissed per the prosecutor, Your Honor. Oh, Your Honor, we need confirmation that she has a valid license. I apologize.
Can we run her license, please?
All right, thank you.
Go.
You go bring it over here.
Yeah.
Bring it over
All
here.
right, mute yourself, Mr. Griffin. I'm gonna mute you until Mr. Johnson comes back.
And Judge, we're very large. He's 60 hours left to do, and he's supposed to report tomorrow.
Okay, cool.
So.
All right, can we run Loreno Rodriguez? All right.
This call is being transcribed.
Can you ask Mr. Humberto Moran to unmute himself, please? He still hasn't.
Humberto Morán, active su micrófono, por favor. Humberto Morán.
I'm sending you the prompt. Hit the prompt, unmute.
Aprieta el unmute, le mandó un clic, apriétale ahí. Unmute.
All right. Let's go back on the record. Well, Miss Loreno Rodriguez, the driver's license is valid.
Loreno Rodríguez, su licencia es válida.
Thank you, Your Honor. In light of that, the other matters to be dismissed per the prosecutor.
Las otras cargos se los van a levantar, se los van a borrar. La fiscalía lo hará.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
Okay, I'm going to dismiss the cases. You're welcome. You do owe almost over $1,000 in civil infractions, ma'am, on some old cases, but that's between you and the court.
Tiene usted otros cargos pendientes como de $1,000, señora, en otras infracciones civiles, pero eso arregle usted con la corte, ¿está bien?
Sí, me llegó una carta, me llegó hace como 2 días.
Yeah, I just got a letter from that, a couple of days ago.
All right, if there's nothing further, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Muy bien, ya puede colgar, lo mejor de la suerte, ¿está bien?
Gracias, igual.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. City of Detroit versus Zaria Green. Case number SP 19112681 SX 695562, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name.
Zaria Janae Green, Zaria Green. Is she here? Okay, I don't see her anymore. Let's pass that. Let's call the City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Michelle Nicole Gray. Case numbers SP 1730403, counts 1 and 2 and 3. SP 1819666, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1893576, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1894243. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gray.
Michelle Nicole Gray.
And turn your camera on, please. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge.
All right, good morning. Today is the date and time. It is set for
trial.
It's set for trial. All right, Corporal Vasion was here. Jacinto was here. I don't think I saw Raza. Mr. Berry's going to attempt to get you an updated offer, Ms. Gray. If you don't like the offer today, it's the date and time set for the trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter.
All right.
All right. If the gentleman, I'm gonna put him out and see if he comes back in. Mr. Castillo. If not, we're just gonna move on. I'll put him out, see if he joins back in.
Okay.
Are you ready on Leon Griffin, Mr. Basil Johnson?
Yes, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Leon Griffin Jr., case number SP 180-38331. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please the court, Basil Johnson II, 72130 on behalf of Mr. Griffin. He's on Zoom.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Griffin. State your name for the record, please.
Yeah, Griffin Jr.
All right, no, I'm not gonna say it again. No driving in court, all right?
No, I pulled over.
All right. What's your client want to do?
Set it for a bench trial date, Your Honor.
All right, trial date is going to be July the 7th, 2026 at 9 a.m.
Sounds good.
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. Ms. Griffin, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
All right, you as well, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Miss Robinson. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Globe. Mr. Globe, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants a bench trial date?
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Globe, come back on July the 7th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You're welcome. I don't know. Green. All right, let's go, Mr. Lige. Good morning to you. You said you completed how many hours? Mr. Lige, unmute yourself, please.
I have 56 days. I mean, 56 hours, Your Honor. I got 3 days left. Saturday,
You have,
she gonna send you the paperwork Saturday.
you have
Is that
56, how many hours did you do?
50? Come on, Your Honor.
How many hours did you do?
56.
56. And how many hours total did I give you?
80.
80. Okay.
I have to see her 10 times.
All right. That's gonna, once Ms. Mathis gets this in, you should be able to go to the secretary, or at least you'll have clearances here. Come back and we'll clear out the other matters once you complete those other hours.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This call is no longer being transcribed.
Congratulations to you and best of luck to you, and congratulations on the newborn. And hopefully you get that valid license so you can start carrying that baby around from place to place.
No, hold on. I'm just the godfather. I just babysitting.
That's
I don't have. Look, Your Honor.
All right.
Grandchildren. Yeah.
Okay,
I
there it
salute
is.
you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Take care. Have
Best
a
of
great
luck.
day.
Congratulations.
Yeah. How you cut this off?
I'll cut it off.
Oh, thank you.
All right, he's back. Still not unmuted. Humberto Moraine, can you unmute yourself, please? Morning to you.
Humberto, activa tu micrófono, por favor, o alguien que necesite intérprete. Si alguien necesita intérprete, activa el micrófono. Humberto.
Knows how to unmute. He knows how to start the camera, but he's not seeing the prompt unmuting himself.
Activa el micrófono, tiene una rayita roja cruzada. Dice mute, M-U-T-E, mute, ahí apriétale.
I keep sending him the prompt to unmute himself. He needs to press the button to unmute.
Aprieta el botón, por favor.
There he goes. Good morning to you, sir. What is your full name, please?
Buenos días, ¿cómo te llamas? ¿Cuál es tu nombre completo?
Humberto Moreno.
Humberto Moreno.
No.
What is your name?
¿Cómo te llamas?
Humberto Marín Gamboa.
Humberto Marín
Gamboa.
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 ¿Cuál tienes número de caso?
El número del caso. No la sé.
Dice
No
por
la sé.
SP.
Eh, es, es que bueno, a mí me despidieron por no tener licencia de vender.
For Humberto Marin Gamboa.
Sí.
Humberto Marín Gamboa?
Sí.
Yes.
Humberto Marín Gamboa.
One is closed out. He paid it.
This call is being transcribed.
Uno ya lo pagaste.
Sí. De hecho,
Ya.
ya pagué la multa. Ya nada más me pusieron la corte para este día 9 de junio, nada más para si ya me cerraban la sección, me digan el
Yeah,
6.
they just asked me to show up today to make sure everything was closed.
Yes, everything is closed.
Yeah, sí, todo está cerrado.
Ya.
Your Honor, you have a case number for my record?
Yes. Whenever you're ready.
I'm ready.
SP 183-43551 and 2. Counts 1 and counts 2. SP 183-4355 counts 1 and counts 2.
Okay.
Tell him he's free to leave. Everything is closed out.
Humberto, ya te puedes ir, todo está listo. ¿Está bien?
Bien, pues, gracias.
Thank you very much.
Gracias.
Have a good day.
All right. Have a great day.
Thank you, Your Honor. You need me for anything else or?
No, we're good. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Corporal Rule, you're free to leave. Glenn never showed. What's your name, sir?
Yes, my name is Marquis Layton, Your Honor. I didn't take the notes down that I supposed to. I thought I was gonna get a letter out, but I know we had a court date in June, so I had to call the court office, and they said it's supposed to be 8:30 this morning.
I don't know why you didn't take the notes down.
I'm sorry, Judge. I'm not, Your Honor. I know I'm gonna do it next time.
City of Detroit versus
yes.
City of Detroit versus Marquise Layton. Number SP 109-2286 counts 1 and counts 2 and count 3. SP 109-3946 counts 1 and SP 1447631 counts 1. SP 1453050 SP 1601185 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1654105 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1720324 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1781526 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 858454 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 947545 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Ms. Wilkerson, are you there?
Sorry, Your Honor, I was having some connection issues. I'm here.
Appearance for the record, please, for Marquise Layton.
Till Manager Wilkerson, on behalf of Mr. Layton, please state your name for the record.
Yes, Marquis Layton.
Marquise Layton. All right. Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. Well, Ms. Wilkerson, she's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room.
Okay, Your Honor.
Ms. Robinson, are you ready?
I'm ready, Judge. I didn't speak to Mr. Gady though.
All right, let's
I have his number. I can call him
get
privately.
let's get Ms. Glover out here. Mr. Gady's on the line. Let's go call the city of Detroit versus Shalonda Glover, case number
Hello?
SP 1869781. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, if it may please the court. Sarah Robinson, P63181 for Ms. Glover.
Ms. Glover, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please. Turn your camera on. Ms. Glover? All right, we'll pass it.
She's in the waiting room, Judge.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Glover. Ms. Glover, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please. All right, date and time set for a pretrial. What's your client want to do, Ms. Robinson?
Judge, I would request a pretrial.
All right, pretrial is going to be June 26, 2026 at 8:30. If there's nothing further, Ms. Glover, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Actually, how many times are we gonna reschedule this for a pre-trial?
I don't know. You just got the attorney today. She needs to request her so she can gather the information. So that's up to you. Do you want a trial date or you want another pretrial? That's up to you. It's your case.
I'm just ready for this to be over with. I just keep getting called back for this every time.
Talk to Miss Robinson. That's up to
Nobody's
you.
really explaining what's going on.
I thought you
Judge,
had a conversation.
I'm not rushing a case. I'm not rushing any case. I was appointed this morning. I have to look at the discovery before I can discuss this with my client. So.
Well, I understand that, but that's up, I understand that. But Miss Glover doesn't seem to understand that. She wants to get it over with. I can understand that too, but you just got appointed the attorney today.
Well, like I said, nobody was explaining anything to me, so I didn't know I wasn't appointed an attorney. Just, okay, you come in and here's this, and all right, we're gonna come back in a month.
Well, we talked about it. We said if you didn't get the attorney a call, then you would have to come in. We can get one pointed to you on the spot today. That's what we said the last time. And unfortunately, you didn't get the call during that time. So we had to. Pardon me?
Nobody called.
I understand that. You didn't. That's why you didn't get it, because nobody called. That's why we had to get one appointed to you today. We've done everything we said we were going to do. Now, your attorney needs time to see what's going on with it before she tries to make any kind of move at all.
Okay.
All right. So the 26th of June. Best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day. City of Detroit versus Gary Gady. Case number U743442826. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson, appearance P63181 for Mr. Gary Gady. Judge, in this case, likewise, I need a pretrial. I have Mr. Gady's number and I will call him today and go over everything. I was appointed today.
All right, you hear that, Mr. Gady?
Yes.
Ms. Wilkerson's going to give you, Ms. Robinson is going to give you a call. I'm going to give you a pretrial to give her an opportunity to go over the case with you, okay? And until when she gets the information that she needs to get, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'm going to give you a pretrial date of the June 26, 2026 as well, okay? At 8:30.
June 26th.
June 26th. I wish you the best of luck. and you have a very good rest of your day, okay?
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Gady.
All right.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Layton. Mr. Layton, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this is a bench trial date.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's what you want to do, Mr. Layton?
Yes. Yes, Your
Are you
Honor.
gonna write this down?
Yes, I'm writing this down, Your Honor.
July the 7th, 2026 at 9 a.m.
Okay, Your Honor.
He owes a bunch of 1, 2, 3, 4, 220, 288, 288, 288, and 336. Those are no insurance proofs. If you paid those, you can potentially set yourself up to bring a valid driver's license in. I say potentially because I don't know what your driving record looks like in other jurisdictions, but that at least would get you clearances here at the 36th District Court. No insurance proofs, 288, 288, 288, and 336. All right?
Okay, Your Honor.
I wish you the best of luck, July 7th at 9 a.m. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. You too.
You're welcome. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gray. Ms. Gray, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to 2 counts of improper plates and failure to display. Remaining matters to be dismissed.
Ms. Gray, why don't you're pleading all this, and that's $240 a piece for each plea. What about getting a valid license?
Yes, I was doing that, but at the time I had to move. I had just lost my home. So I haven't even went and got it yet.
All right, how's your housing situation now?
Yeah, I'm still trying to find a place now. I'm just staying
Do
with
you
my
want me
daughter.
to get somebody in here that can probably assist you with that?
With housing?
Yeah, they have a street court.
Yes.
Because I don't see, first of all, why you're taking this deal, because you don't have the money. And you can potentially, I tried to let you pay the $45 up front so you can at least see if you can get a valid driver's license. And you weren't able to do that.
Yes, I wasn't able to do it right away.
All right. Do you want me to get somebody in here to see if they can help you with the housing?
Yes.
All right, give me a minute. All right, let's pass the matter. I'm gonna wait on them to come in. They're usually pretty quick.
Okay.
All right.
Excuse me, Judge.
Yes, Ms. Robinson.
I have a client who did not appear today and is not responding to phone calls. Will that go to show cause or no?
That's show cause.
What's what time was he scheduled?
Lundy.
8:35, what was it, pre-trial?
We'll go to show cause, I guess. Yeah, pre-trial, Lundy.
It depends, it's probably gonna get capious. Because he already had a previous show cause, they can only really have one show cause unless the judge put another.
And you haven't heard from him at all?
No, may I have a show cause or another chance? Can I get another pre-trial?
Have you heard from him at all?
No.
I don't know what the purpose of the other chance is for then. As let's see. I'm sure he was arraigned 9/23/2025.
Yeah, he probably already had a show cause.
Yeah, he's already been to capious a couple times.
Yes, Judge, thank you.
All right, be safe, Miss Robinson. How's your mom doing?
She's doing good. She's doing really good.
Great.
Thank you for asking.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
There you go. No more show cause.
You know, somewhere like advertising it or something for mechanics.
Yeah. Hello, on the telephone. Good morning to you. What's your name, please?
Glenn Given.
Glenn who?
Given, Givhan.
Why are you so late?
I was trying to log in with the camera with the Zoom. I just couldn't get no connection with the Zoom. I've been trying to log in with that, so I went and got my paperwork out the car, and it said that I can make a call. I can call in. Well, I'm having difficulty with the camera with the Zoom.
That's City of Detroit versus Glenn Given. Case number N683877181 094212 Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Glenn Given.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor. For purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Given, what is your date of birth?
10/4/1986.
All right, why is it only coming up 2 cases? Oh, here we go.
There's a bunch of them.
Here we go. All
Well, that's
right.
because one of his last names is spelled with an M, and the other two is spelled with an N.
Can you spell your last name for me, please?
Yes, G as in goat, I as in India, V as in Victor, H as in Henry, A as in Apple, and N as in Nancy.
Okay, let me fix these two, Judge.
Also call SP1 5, strike the 09516131 and SP15480701. All right, today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Mr. Given, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. Let's also call SP 1819328, counts 1 and counts 2. Mr. Berry, the one case, SP 154800701, is a matter of him pleading to something and never paying. That the park was in the park when it's closed. Appearance for the record and purposes of arraignment.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Given.
Yes, Glenn Given.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. So we're dealing with the, we're dealing with the fishing without a license, the 2 no ops cases.
Yeah.
And then the park closed, he's already dealt with that, just never paid. All
And
right,
Your Honor, how much does Mr. Given owe on the park closed ticket, Your Honor?
He owes, it says 338 now, but he's got late fees and all that for not paying. So 338 as of now. I can waive the fees and bring you back down to the cost if you're going to pay this thing. Go ahead,
And
Ms.
Your Honor,
Horn.
with that in consideration, that people will move for dismissal of all other matters. The other 2, which are 09, which means, Mr. Given, you ain't been coming to court. And the fishing with a license, from last I checked, it was 2018. So we're just asking that he move forward and pay that park closed tickets that is still due and owing.
He's got no valid registration from 10/29/2025 and no proof of insurance from the same date. He owes $336 on those. You also owe $274 on an old speeding ticket. You just don't pay.
I don't have it right now. Okay.
I mean, this is not right now. This is years. This is years.
Yeah, well, can I make a payment arrangement? Yeah.
What do you want to do with the no valid registration and no proof of insurance, Ms. Horn?
The people will move for dismissal.
All right, so you're getting a big time break here. I'm gonna, can I get the new sheet, Ms. Smith?
I don't have it yet because one of the officers retired and I gotta put a special code in what I'm looking for.
Oh, just the N, just to
I
change
don't
the name,
like it.
just to change the N on there?
That's what I'm doing right now.
All right,
Sorry.
all right. Where's the other sheet?
Right here.
All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'll print out both of them.
One of them will pop up if you do it one way.
I did it.
Okay.
Oh, I did it by the driver's license, so I'm good.
Yeah, okay, so you
All
do
right.
it.
So, what I'll do is N68387781, waive late and warrant fee. And I'll make a review for that. I'm gonna give you 30 days, come back July 9th, 2026. Either pay it off, allow payment plan on that one. I'm gonna waive the warrant fees on, no, that's not the right one. That's dismissed. On the park close, SP 154-80701, I'll waive late and warrant fee. Review 7/9/2026. Allow payment plan. SP 1819328 counts 1 and counts 2. We'll dismiss those. 09421239 and 09516130 We'll dismiss those for age of ticket. All right, so you're gonna still owe the 274, and you're gonna owe the whatever the late or reinstatement fees after I waive it on the park close. You're gonna owe a reinstatement fee. Oh, no. Well, I'm not dismissing 09516130 because you never paid that. That is something that you never paid either. So that's, you've already pled to that. I'll waive late and warrant fee for that. So you got two matters. You have the no ops, the park closed. You have three matters: the no ops, the park closed, and the 31 plus miles an hour over that you never paid. I'm giving you until July the 9th. I'm giving you till July the 9th to do one of two things. Either pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, or come on down to the courthouse by on or before July 9th and get into that payment plan. Come on July 9th, let us know what you did, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
All right, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, you too. Thank you.
I'm waiting on Mr. Patel for Miss Gray. All right, when Mr. Patel comes, can you put Miss Gray in a breakout room?
You made calls?
I made you calls a long time.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna go into recess and make the call.
Did you, can I see the
Remote control?
yes.
Okay, Judge, have a good day. If you guys need me, just give me a call. I got to run to go do something too.
All right, thanks.
Okay, thank you, Judge. Okay, see everybody.
Bye-bye.
Sharon, can I
You need some help, Barry?
nope, sorry.
Okay, I thought I heard your voice. Okay.
You did.
Oh. Mm. Good morning, Attorney Teal. Good morning.
Good morning. I hear that you have someone for street court today.
Yes, Ms. Gray, I'm gonna put you guys in breakout room number 1. So, Ms. Gray, let's see, Ms. Gray. Ms. Gray, I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 1. Felicity Teal. Did you want, let me give you co-host ability so you can move back and forth.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You host because I'm not the host, but I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 1.
Okay.
So you can speak to the defendant.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Corporal Rule, you've been able to leave a long time ago. I tried to let you know. You're muted. Glenn never showed. Be safe.
Okay,
Have a
then.
good day. All right.
You as well. Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good one.
Thank you. We'll see you soon.
Yeah, bye.
Yeah, I don't know what that's all about. That's fine.
Sarah must have been, maybe she had more than one court date, because she had another court date at 1:30 for June the 22nd.
Mm-hmm. She does.
Probably when she.
I don't see why you didn't stay. You thought you had something today because you signed in.
I just scheduled, well, that's kind of. I still scheduled it for the 22nd. It's still be on the side count.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Gray. Miss Till, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, good morning, Judge Felicity Till, P83961 of Street Democracy, appearing on behalf of Miss Michelle Gray, who is with me via Zoom. Miss Gray, can you please state your full name for the record?
Michelle Nicole Gray.
Okay, good morning. Did you have a good conversation?
Yes, Your Honor. I believe Ms. Davis will be an excellent addition to our program. She is currently staying with her daughter. I believe she will, we've had a good conversation about the program and what she needs to do. Ms. Gray, do you have any questions about the program or anything beyond what we discussed? All right. All right, then, Your Honor, what I'm going to be asking for is a return date of July 28th of 2026.
Okay, Ms. Gray, what I'm going to say to you, I know you're probably going through one of the more trying times in your life, and we'll be praying for you for that, ma'am.
Thank you.
I do feel that there's always light at the end of the tunnel. I do understand that if you do, I feel if you are persevere and with some determination, dedication, and the help, that the light will shine brighter for you. I hope it happens sooner rather than later. I always leave with the quote from Dr. Martin Luther King. He says the true test of a man is not, and that means man and woman, mankind, is not where they stand in the moments of comfort and convenience, but where they stand in the times of challenges and controversies. This is probably one of the more challenging times of your life. This is your test, ma'am. Why God forced you to test you this way, I can't answer that either, but I do wish and I do hope, and I'm sure you'll get through this, and I just hope it's rather sooner rather than later, and we'll be praying for you, okay?
All right, thank you, Judge.
All right, I still, if you get that first $45, I would hope you can get that and bring it down to the court. That's still, you're able to pay that, no insurance proof, but you have to come down to the courthouse and do that. That can potentially set you up to get a valid driver's license, ma'am.
Okay.
All right, so July 28, 2026 at 8:30. Best of luck to you both, and thank you, Ms. Till, for coming on in so quickly.
Absolutely, no problem at all, Judge. You have a good one.
You have a
good day, Judge.